Today I'll walk you through how to sync Airbnb with Google Calendar using iCal, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate your Airbnb bookings into Google Calendar so you can manage your schedule more effectively. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can easily find it by searching for Calendar Google in your search engine. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will help you feel more comfortable as we proceed. Now, look for the plus sign, usually located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will open a menu with several options. This is where the magic begins. Syncing your Airbnb calendar starts here. Next, select the option labeled From URL. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to add your Airbnb calendar link directly into Google Calendar. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process remains the same. Now, it's time to paste the URL from your Airbnb account. You can find this URL in your Airbnb settings under the Calendar section. Once you've pasted the link, click on Add Calendar. This action will integrate your Airbnb bookings into your Google Calendar, a seamless way to keep track of your reservations. After adding the calendar, click on the back arrow to return to your main calendar view. Here, you should see your Airbnb events displayed alongside your other appointments. This integration allows you to manage your time more effectively, ensuring you never double book your space. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your Airbnb with Google Calendar using iCal. This integration not only helps you stay organized, but also provides peace of mind knowing that all your bookings are in one place. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.